in fact giving us this information and also in fact putting light on how the markets and stocks are performing after the big decision by the Donald Trump administration of imposing the reciprocal tariffs, where the world is also watching and closely looking at how the markets are reacting. Now let's shift the focus to other developments. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in Thailand to attend the BIMSTEC summit. He was accorded a warm welcome by the Indian diaspora on his touchdown in Bangkok. Apart from this, he has witnessed a captivating performance of the Thai Ramayan, the Ramkeen, noting that India and Thailand share a deep-rooted cultural bond. Prime Minister Narendra Modi hailed the experience as enriching, one that beautifully showcased and shared the civilizational ties. The Prime Minister has also shared a video showcasing the vibrant welcome and the community connect in Thailand. Let's take a look.
Om Sri Matre Bhagava Sri Matre Namaha Om Sri Pitre Bhagava Sri Pitre Namaha Om Guru Vaishnavi Om Guru Maheshwari